Understanding IP cameras, a comprehensive guide. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on IP cameras. In this video, we'll explore what IP cameras are, how they work, and why they might be the perfect security solution for your home or business. IP cameras, or Internet Protocol cameras, are digital video cameras that transmit data over a network. Unlike traditional analog cameras, IP cameras offer higher resolution and more advanced features. These cameras connect to your network via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor your property remotely from any device with Internet access. One of the biggest advantages of IP cameras is remote access. You can view live footage, receive alerts, and even control the camera's settings from your smartphone, tablet, or computer. IP cameras come with a range of features to enhance your security. Night vision allows for clear footage in low light conditions, motion detection alerts you to any movement, and two-way audio lets you communicate through the camera. Installation is straightforward. Most IP cameras are plug and play, meaning you can set them up quickly without professional help. Simply mount the camera, connect it to your network, and configure the settings through the app or web interface. IP cameras also offer flexible storage options. You can store footage locally on an SD card, on a network video recorder, NVR, or in the cloud for easy access and backup. Customization is key. You can adjust settings like resolution, frame rate, and alert preferences to suit your specific needs. Some cameras even offer advanced features like facial recognition and license plate reading. Whether you're looking to secure your home, monitor your business, or keep an eye on your pets, IP cameras provide a reliable and versatile solution. Thanks for watching our guide on IP cameras. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tips and tutorials. Stay safe and secure.